The sun's rays are less spread out in equatorial regions than in higher latitude regions. At the equator, air near the Earth's surface is warmed, it expands, and it begins to rise. As the air rises and moves away from the equator, it cools. At about 30 degrees north or south, the air, now cooler and denser, sinks back to the Earth's surface. Some of the air flows back toward the equator, and some toward the poles. At about 60 degrees, the air flowing toward the poles collides with cold air moving away from the poles. The collision of these two air currents forces air upward, where it moves toward the poles and back toward the mid-latitudes. This pattern of global air circulation gives rise to differences in rainfall at different latitudes. As air rises, it loses its capacity to hold moisture. As a result, rainfall is highest at latitudes where air rises and lowest at latitudes where it sinks. This is why rainforests are found at the equator, evergreen forests at or around 60 degrees north latitude, and deserts at around 30 degrees north and south latitude. Deciduous forests and grasslands thrive in areas with intermediate levels of rainfall. Thus, the uneven heating of the Earth by the sun sets in motion the Earth's global air circulation. This leads to latitudinal differences in heat and moisture, which determine the distribution of the Earth's biomes.